We're at the Vintage and Antique Flea Market. I'm Tanya. Welcome or welcome back. Look at this gorgeous beauty. Oh. Try to get closer to the eagle on the top so you can see it. It's so beautiful. The sun is not helping, but it is gorgeous. I'm sorry, say that again. How much did you just say that was?
I'll give you a deal at 25.
25 for that. Are you going to be out here next time?
Nope.
No. Sadly, I do not have a truck, so I had to miss out on a $25 deal. He would have delivered it, but I lived in the opposite direction from the 4-hour drive that he had to go home, so that didn't pan out either. But that's okay, there's lots more deals here. There's cloisonne everywhere, and I also found this carnival glass compote with the strawberries. Gorgeous. And Flow Blue for $10. Not bad. An oil painting under glass. Yikes. But I love oil paintings of ships because they're supposed to be good luck. I stopped by this vendor's earlier in the day, but I was on my way running to get to a whole table full of chinoiserie, which is in the last video. You can go check that one out if you want. I'll link that at the end of this video along with the next video. I love this vendor's tables because they have so much variety. They're also a fun and lively little bunch, and I like that. I like being entertained while I shop. So the orange ones have uranium in them?
Yeah, this guy that at Alameda, he had a tester and he was testing all the plates and stuff. And I was like, "What are you doing?" He's all, "Geigers down there. Look, this one's going off," and they were all going off. And like, so I was like, "Wow."
Okay, don't eat off those.
Not those ones. No. That's some stir-fried chicken, collard greens. Oh yeah. That might be all in though. Yep.
Got back late.
It was definitely weird when it was going on.
So pretty. I love that stuff. Fruit. I love fruit.
Did you miss something?
Oh, I missed everything. I was trying to get back before everybody packed up, but I didn't make it.
So, we're hitting, how soon before we move back to 21st and next?
How soon?
I don't know. I saw on the webpage that they were just waiting on the city.
Yeah, it's been on there since you guys got here.
Oh. Yeah,
I've been telling people forever, like any minute now they're going to go back under the freeway. And it would really help for like the winter days like this.
Right.
Because this is rough for you guys. And it's freezing.
Yeah, I dressed for it though. So.
Yeah. I wish I had. But I can't really wear a jacket because then you'll just hear nothing but scratching on the video all day. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. I love these wall pockets. That is just a gorgeous one. Gorgeous. It's pretty too. Self. I work for me. Oh, I'm so in love with this wall pocket right here. Just love it. It's beautiful too. Better shot of it.
ugly too, though.
Really? What's ugly to you?
What's ugly to me on this table?
Yes.
Okay, I don't like these here. I don't think they're.
Oh, okay.
I just don't. They're not me.
Not your style?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't like this.
You don't like that?
No. I mean, I don't. In my house, I would have no place to put that. But
Oh,
then
I
again,
see.
one of the ugliest things on the table, this,
cute.
I really like.
Wait a minute.
I was a chef.
Wait a minute.
I was a
Let
chef
me see.
for like 18
You were a
years.
chef
Yes.
and you like this one.
Yes, I do.
Okay, well that's fair. He's something else. He's interesting.
This, I mean, I don't. I guess it's Chinese. I guess.
Okay.
To me,
That's fair.
this is weird. This is weird to me. Like, I don't know what you put in it.
A plant.
A plant? Okay,
Yes.
it's a planter.
It's
Okay.
a little football guy. He's
Yeah,
cute.
yeah. You think he's cute?
Yeah, maybe. Let me move that.
I think this is gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
I think that's
Who
gorgeous.
is that? I don't even. Oh, Da Vinci? Oh. What? What is this even? It's like a Da Vinci collector's plate? I didn't even know they made those. That's stunning.
This,
I'm with you.
This I never use. Like
You would never use
no,
that?
I don't.
You don't eat like olives and pickles and stuff?
yeah,
What about
but-
when you make hamburgers and you have people over?
I guess so. I don't have
wouldn't-
dinner parties too much, so
What
maybe
about
yes.
just friends and family? Let's not call it a
Okay.
dinner party. Let's
Okay.
just say friends and family.
I think I have a bigger platter with it out. You know, I don't think this would be enough.
Okay.
Like, space. And
Okay.
that's just not me.
Okay, that's fair too.
These remind me
That's
of
not
my
either.
dad.
Whoa, oh wait, she kind of is me. Let me see. Oh no, I didn't get a really good look at her. I do like her.
Yeah?
I think I do, yeah.
Or it was like a wine ball or something. I'm not sure.
Well, her head
Oil?
comes off.
Her head comes off, so
my
oil?
guess is that some kind of spirits,
Yeah,
the
okay.
kind you drink, not the kind that haunt
These
you, were in
remind me
there.
of my dad. He used to have those on his wall all the time.
And so you like that or don't like that? No, it's too grandpa for
It
you.
reminds me of my dad, so I mean that's a good memory.
Right.
So, would I have them hanging in my house?
Never. Okay. I hear you.
dig this style though. It's kind of cool.
Okay, so you're into the pottery?
Oh yeah, the pottery. I like the colors on that.
And those are beautiful colors, actually. I mean, like stunning colors. I'm a huge fan of this myself.
Nice.
Yeah.
These I'm not like. They're cool looking, but I would never hang them. I mean, they're
Right.
hanging plates, but I don't.
You wouldn't decorate
No,
with that?
no.
Okay. Oh, look at. There's
Yeah,
the milk
the-
and the sugar.
Yep, milk and the sugar. And
They
we
belong
had,
together.
We had something
They
else.
should
Oh,
be.
I think-
I'm gonna marry them because they should be together. Because I didn't even see that. What else?
No, I thought these went with it, but they did. We had something else that went with those. But
Those don't go
it
with
might
it,
have got
right?
bought. But we had plates too, like this, but they were pairs, but somebody bought them.
Oh, I
So-
bet. What color were they?
About the same color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
About the
And they were
amber
pairs,
ones.
but yeah, I kind of like that one though.
Yes.
The pattern of it.
And do you have the? Because this holds a cup.
Cup, right? Right. No. We
Did
don't
you have the
cup.
cups with the other set?
Huh?
Did you have the cups?
No,
with it? No.
No, we didn't.
Okay.
I think those are kind of far in between the cups, but
And these are cute. See, like these are planters too.
they're planters.
Those
Okay,
are
you're supposed to put a
planters.
planter in them. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Super cute. Kind of girly. I can see why you wouldn't have it in your house.
Well, you'd
gotcha.
be surprised.
Oh, okay.
People look at my bedroom and they're like, "I don't have a girlfriend."
Is it
I'm
pink?
Like, so. Yeah, I do have a lot of pink. I
Right.
do like pink. It's a cool
Pink is
color.
fantastic.
Yeah,
I
especially
love
in the
it,
bedroom.
especially when men wear pink. It's great.
Yeah, I got pink tie, pink vest, pink, pink.
Good. Good for you. Good for you.
$10.
There it is. Thank,
you. You're welcome.
It's gorgeous. Can I steal some of your
Oh yeah. Of course you can.
wrapping paper? Thank you.
Man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank
Cool.
you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Every front porch could use a wicker rocking chair. Brass unicorn music boxes are news to me. I've never seen these before, but now that I have, they're just the cutest things ever, and the swans too. And speaking of swans, this one's Murano glass. I've seen several of them out here today. Nice vintage rattan set. Don't want to get too close. I might drool all over the hand-painted wooden serving tray. Let's look at some littles and smalls and trinkets. This is always fun. Everything is cuter in miniature. The little package is cute with this panda. Little clocks. Something about teeny tiny little clocks that are where the faces are so small that you can't possibly see them, but they actually work. I don't know why I think that's the most adorable thing ever. I'm a Leo, so of course. This is the cutest, but so sad. It's missing the tail and a leg. Poor baby. Norman Rockwell. Does anybody collect Norman Rockwell? Needs some serious cleaning up, but this decanter set is amazing. I love how it has both sides. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. That would be so handy on a table. I like collecting antiques and vintage and setting them on shelves like anybody else, of course, but I love to utilize them. I like buying things that I can actually use in my home. Especially for dinner parties and holidays. So much fun. And you get so many compliments. We'll look through the books next time. I'm afraid to stick my hand in there right now. I'm afraid I might lose it. These two are ferociously pouring through the books. But this vendor's here all the time, so we'll check it out next time. There's lots more to see, so when the next video is ready, it will appear right here. You can like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell to get notified when it comes out. And until next time, happy thrifting.